Mula pa first year hanggang fourth year, parating siya ang president ng buong batch na, okay. Mula kay Miss Rosaliao or Naughty para sa atin. Sa mga giliw kong kamag-aaral, tunay nga palang mahirap kalimutan ang ating makulay na kabataan. At lalong mahirap limutin ang mga taong naging bahagi ng ating kabataan. Ang ating mga kapwa kamag-aaral at pati na din ang ating mga guro. Lalo na't sa ating pagtunghay sa salamin ay maaaninag ang ating mga buhok na unti-unting nagkukulay uban. Mukhang si Buddy lang yun. Si Buddy lang yata yun. Ito ang tunay na napakasaklap na katotohanan. Liebo 4 na tayong lahat. Kaya merong umamin o wala. Ako hindi ako aamin. Gamitin ninyo ang talas ng inyong imahinasyon habang nakikinig kay Ching sa pagbasa ng aking payak na liham para sa ating muling pagtitipon-tipon. Ako pa rin ang dating si Rosaliao, aka Naughty, ang isa sa mga komikera ng Batch 78. Kabilang ako sa tropa ng Batch 78 na nabuhay na punong-puno ng katatawanan sa loob ng 4 na taong singkat na ating ipinagsama-sama. Ako pa din ang dating si Naughty na kung sakaling hindi pa ninyo alam, marahil ay natumbok na din ninyo ngayon after 25 years, ang lahat ng nakita niyong kakayahan ni Naughty ay pawang nakuha lamang sa buladas nitong inyong komikerang presidente. Seriously speaking, I simply cannot comprehend the fact that I am still chosen, collectively I hope, by Batch 78, to share my input on this very special occasion. I keep asking myself during the last 2 weeks over and over, and the answer remains as it is. I still don't get it. Why me? What did I do for the truth? I consider myself lucky, having led such a dynamic group of peers whose brilliant minds, infinite creativity, boundless enthusiasm, and enduring devotion made it all possible for each and every one of us to unite in body, mind, and spirit through this day. I look back, and I do not see myself as one of the many artists who perform on stage, nor one of the many achievers who brought laurels to our dear alma mater. And yet, I see myself in the center stage, receiving honors in behalf of the batch, which should not be the case. I look back, and I'm able to figure out the very essence of my leadership. 25 years ago, and 25 years after, it was not me. It was, and it is still you. We grow, and we learn, and we live. And now we see ourselves in various angles of the fictitious world we used to portray on stage. With the real-life experiences that beset us on a daily basis, it feels good to look back and see ourselves today. Still young as we are, still filled with unfading idealism that shaped the persons in each and every one of us 25 years after. If there is one thing that I would like to correct, which I should have corrected 25 years ago, it is to relinquish the honor and the glory I have as the enviable class president of Batch 78 from freshman years until senior years, and bequeath the title to the people who truly deserve it, and that's you. I am referring to you in plural second person point of view. You, all of you. I see you to this day as the backbone of Batch 78. You are the ultimate leaders of Batch 78 who have willingly taken charge 25 years after in the absence of the President and without doubt and without fear are able to fulfill the role beyond expectations. If there is one thing that I would like to do for you today as I take part in this very special occasion from afar, that is to sing you a song of which the lyrics have captured the very essence of my leadership through the years, 25 years ago and 25 years after. My dear classmates, to sing the song Wind Beneath My Wings, for me, to you, is the wind beneath my wings, my best friend, the one and only Miss Ching Magkawas. Long live Batch 78 from San Francisco, California, Rosalia Laguna College High School Batch 78.